Are you stuck deciding whether freelancing or starting a business will make you more money? It's a crucial choice that could shape your financial future, lifestyle, and freedom. Freelancing offers flexibility and quick cash, while businesses promise scalability and long-term wealth. But which one truly pays off? In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons, reveal hidden truths, and help you figure out which path can maximize your income. If you want to make smarter money decisions, stick around. This one's for you. Defining freelancing and business. Let's start by clarifying the difference. Freelancing means you sell your skills or services directly to clients. Think writing, graphic design, consulting, or programming, usually working alone. You're paid per project or hour, trading your time for money. A business, on the other hand, is a system that provides products or services and can operate independently of you. Businesses can employ others, automate processes, and scale beyond one person's effort. Understanding this fundamental difference is key to seeing how each makes money. Income potential. Freelancing is limited by time. With freelancing, your income directly depends on how many hours you work and the rates you charge. If you charge $50 an hour and work 40 hours a week, your max income is about $8,000 a month before taxes. To earn more, you either increase rates, work more hours, or get bigger clients. However, your time is finite. There are only so many hours in a day. This is the biggest limitation of freelancing. You're trading hours for dollars, which caps your earning potential. Business income can scale exponentially. Businesses have the unique advantage of scalability. Instead of directly exchanging time for money, a business creates systems, products, or services that can generate revenue with less personal effort. For example, a software company sells licenses, a restaurant serves many customers daily, or an e-commerce store sells products worldwide. As you grow, your business can hire employees, automate tasks, and increase profits without requiring more hours from you. This means businesses have theoretically unlimited income potential. Startup costs and risk. Freelancing is low. Business can be high. Starting freelancing usually requires minimal investment, often just a computer, internet, and skills you already have. It's low risk and low barrier to entry, making it attractive for beginners or those testing the waters. Businesses, by contrast, can demand significant upfront capital, office space, inventory, staff, marketing licenses, and carry higher risks if things don't go as planned. The potential reward is higher, but so is the risk and responsibility. Flexibility and control. Freelancers enjoy flexibility in choosing projects, clients, and working hours. You can work from anywhere, often setting your own schedule. However, this flexibility comes with pressure, unstable income, client chasing, and no paid benefits. Business owners usually face less schedule flexibility, especially early on, as they must manage staff, customers, and operations. But businesses give you more control over your time and freedom once systems are established, allowing you to step back eventually. Income stability and predictability. Freelancing income can fluctuate dramatically. One month you may have plenty of clients, the next you may struggle. This unpredictability makes financial planning difficult. Businesses that are well established tend to have more stable and predictable income because of recurring customers, contracts, or product sales. However, startups face initial volatility and require perseverance to stabilize. Skill development and career growth. Freelancers often develop deep expertise in their niche and have direct client feedback, which accelerates skill growth. They can pivot quickly between industries or services. Business owners develop a broader skill set: marketing, finance, leadership, operations, which can open doors to multiple income streams and career opportunities. Both paths offer valuable growth, but in different ways. Tax implications and financial benefits. Freelancers are typically taxed as individuals and pay self-employment taxes on all income. They can deduct business expenses but face limitations. Business owners may enjoy more tax benefits, deductions, and the ability to reinvest profits before personal taxation. Incorporating a business can also protect personal assets. Understanding these differences can affect your net income significantly. Building an asset vs. trading time. Freelancing income is often dependent on your active involvement. If you stop working, income stops. It's hard to sell, a freelancing service, or scale it beyond yourself. Businesses, however, create assets, brands, products, customer lists that have value independent of your time. These assets can be sold, franchised, or passed on, providing long-term wealth beyond immediate income. Work, life balance, and burnout. Freelancers can set boundaries, but often work irregular hours or face client pressure. Without a team, all responsibility rests on you. Business owners may initially sacrifice personal time building their company, but can delegate and build teams to regain balance. Ultimately, both paths require careful boundary setting to avoid burnout. Networking and relationship building. Freelancers often rely on personal relationships, referrals, and online platforms to find clients. This network can be limiting if not expanded. Business owners build larger networks, including employees, partners, suppliers, and customers, which broadens opportunities and market reach. Larger networks often translate into more income potential. Speed of income generation. Freelancing allows you to start earning immediately after landing clients, which makes it ideal for quick cash flow. Businesses often take longer to generate profit due to setup, marketing, and scaling. If you need money fast, freelancing wins. For long-term wealth, businesses are more advantageous. How technology impacts both. Technology has lowered barriers for both freelancing and business. Freelancers use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn to find clients globally. Businesses leverage e-commerce, automation, and digital marketing to reach millions. Embracing technology is critical in both paths to increase income and efficiency. Examples: when freelancing makes more sense. If you're starting out, need flexibility, or have a highly specialized skill, freelancing is a smart choice. For example, graphic designers, writers, and consultants often build strong freelancing careers. It's also ideal if you want to test business ideas without upfront investment. Examples: when starting a business is more profitable. If you want to build a brand, hire teams, and scale sales significantly, starting a business makes more sense. E-commerce stores, SaaS companies, restaurants, or service agencies can generate substantial wealth over time. If you're comfortable taking risk and investing upfront, business offers bigger rewards. Combining both freelance to business, many successful entrepreneurs start freelancing to build skills, capital, and a client base, then transition into business by scaling operations or productizing services. This hybrid approach reduces risk and accelerates growth, offering the best of both worlds. Mindset differences. Freelancers often think like doers, focused on delivering services. Business owners think like builders, focused on systems and growth. Developing an entrepreneurial mindset is critical if you want to transition from freelancing to business or grow any income stream exponentially. Financial freedom. Which path leads there faster? Financial freedom is about replacing your living expenses with passive or scalable income. Freelancing can support you comfortably, but is hard to scale beyond a certain level. Businesses, due to their scalable nature, have more potential to build lasting wealth and freedom, especially if you can delegate and automate. Risks and rewards. What you should know: freelancing has lower risk, but also a lower reward ceiling. Business carries higher risk but higher upside. Your tolerance for risk, lifestyle preferences, and financial goals will guide which path suits you best. Choose what aligns with your goals. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you value flexibility, fast income, and lower risk, freelancing is likely better. If you want to build wealth, scale, and create an asset, business is the way. Many find a mix works best, starting freelancing while building a business side project. The key is clarity on your goals and consistent effort. So, which path speaks to you more, freelancing or business? Drop your thoughts in the comments! Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more real talk about making money smarter. Next, check out how to manage your money like a millionaire to keep growing your income. See you there!